We good.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We out here in the Dead Mouse Foot, and we out here catching reds, and let's see what we get. See if we get any reds today. Get a little action any second. Yes, indeed. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Got it. Just like that, been reeling them in all day. Nice 16-inch redfish in the Dead Mouse Foot with me and my boy Grace.
What's up?
Till then,